Well, hello guys, welcome to the part 3 of making Bahar roll cage. So here let's go to making the SIM member, that will be the side impact member. So in the Bahar roll cage, the side impact member should be at a height of 8 inches to 14 inches. Okay, as you can see from the template diagram, template installation diagram. So here the SIM member should be 8 to 14 inches from the surface on which the driver sits. Okay, the knees of the driver should not come out of the SI member more than 3 inches as you find in the rule book. So as we are going to build the SI member, if you haven't checked out how to make the RRH, lateral diagonal bracing and lower frame members and underseat members, please go check out the previous videos. So here let's go for making the SI member. So as here I am building a noseless chassis. So let me make a line here of length 250 mm. 250 mm. I want my DLC to be in a 15 degree in front of the FLC plane. So here this will be the FLC and this point will be the DLC. So the angle of nose from the vertical I'm taking it to be 15 degrees and the length as specified here. Okay, let me cut the extra part. Trimming of the extra part here. Now I'm trying to draw DLC. So the DLC should be 15 inches too. That will be 381 mm. Okay. Now let us make this line for construction and join the points DR and FR and DL and FL. Okay. Now this made a now okay now at a point P, now at a point Q, let's say this is a QL and this is QR, as I have discussed in the previous video. I'm putting a vertical here, so that is of a same length of 250 mm. 250 mm and another line just here, which will be a mirror line. I'm trying to make them parallel and equal. Of course they are parallel and now equal. Okay, now let me join this point to this point and join this one to this. Okay, now I'm just making a line that is a construction line for construction, a 20 mm in this way. As I don't want to disturb this line, I mean this line and this line for the bending and all, so I just want to make this straight, I mean horizontal. So I'll be using this point for the bending. Let me put it as 30 mm and this part too as 30 mm. Okay, now coming to the driver's knee height. So as I have calculated my driver's knee height as 350 mm from the seat height, so that will be making around 11 inches. Now I just want to draw a line here center line, that will be a midpoint line randomly here, that is along y-axis. Okay, now I'm going to give the distance from metal cross member to this point as 305 mm. Okay, so why 305 mm is that this is the point where my driver's knees will be trying to go above the SI member. So there is a intersection point here, so let me make a construction line, that too in a vertical direction along Z. Okay, as you can see below the pointer, it is drawing in the ZX plane. That's what I want. Let me give the height of the driver's knees when he sits there, 356 mm. I hope this is clear. Choosing a midpoint line, that too for construction, and I'm drawing a line, center line on the plane XY. It's a midpoint line from the line that I have just drawn, that is 356 mm. So this will be the opening line. I mean, this is the point where his knees will be touching the SI member. So I'm giving the length of that. Okay, that too is a measured length. So that will be 788 mm. Okay, in this roll cage I'm trying to build a robust chassis. Okay, robust roll cage that will be as short as possible and covering all the rules and regulations that are provided by the SI Baha India. So now I'm connecting this point to this point and then connecting the point S. Okay, I know, connect the point S. I hope that you know what S is on the RRH. And now again this point to the other end and SL to this one. Okay, let me trim here so that I can make a bend, facilitate a bend. I hope that is clear now. Okay, now with the help of tangent arc I'm going to connect this point to this point. Okay, just to make a bend here. Okay, coming to the point where the driver's knees will be in contact with the SI member. So here I'm trying to make a fillet or a bend using this method. I'm just trying to make a midpoint line here and cutting given distance and cut off the excess and just make a tangent arc. Okay, trimming the part which we don't want or where the bend comes. So I'm joining these 2 points with the tangent arc, as you can see here, just like this. I hope you are getting that. Now Okay, now as we're done with the SI member 2 with the given rules and regulations. Okay, this is how the side view of the roll cage looks. This is the RRH, this is the lower frame side member, and this is the SI member. Now this line makes up DLC, and this line makes up FLC. This is QLC in the noseless chassis. Okay, I hope you are now. I think you guys are clear how to make the RRH lateral diagonal bracing lower frame member, SI member. We will be continuing making of the RHO and FBM in the coming up videos. I hope you guys are clear. Let's continue the other part in another video. Thank you.